So we are live again. I just wanted to, because now I can talk, because before my kid came. So we are about to hit the next profit target. The trade has been going exactly as I predicted, and of course it's a total ICT concept. I love it. It just went by the book by ICT. Yes, of course it will be a little retracement before it made quite a big retracement, just to confuse traders that it's a resistance zone. So these equal highs will be hit for sure, and actually maybe the next target will be 50% from this area. Okay, yes, maybe, yes. So we might hit 50% again just to retest it and then go downwards. Also, we should think that it's Friday. So Friday makes an opposite movement of direction as the concept of power of three is saying. So here is our week. It's the weekly. Yes, it might go up until the 50%. So we are about to finish this trade. I will not risk more. Great. So shareable link would be where? Right now, yep. No, no. Share. Yep. Okay. Yep. Just being hit. Just trying to, yes. I have to fix the analysis. Great. So we're up a little bit. I love it because I was a little bit disappointed about the drawdown. I made mistakes before, yesterday and the day before. So yes, here is the first trial that I thought that it will go up to New York, and as predicted, it didn't stay to New York open. It went for the next liquidity pool. Considering that is Friday, the Euro USD had a beating yesterday, hard one, after the news. So my thought process was that we have a level that is the New York Open. It's 7 o'clock in Greek time. Until now we were going downwards. So I was trying to find a signal to go up to catch the retracement. So even if here it doesn't hit the fair value gap, also it doesn't have, it isn't a swing low as I would like to have with pins, that means that this level will be hit again. when I believe that it will be hit after it hits the 50%, after it goes and retests the 50%. It's right in the mean threshold of this fair value gap. Maybe it will touch this line and then retraces back here. So in the 50%, maybe it's a bearish trade. Love it. So yes, we have much to go again to go again to the 10,000 limit, but generally I'm trying to find my steps. So the reason that I'm doing these live streams is for me to be more disciplined trader, which I wasn't yesterday, and that's why I paid it. But I am still in the challenge, and also I paid it because I risked too much again. So two mistakes. First, I traded in the news. Of course, many times I have traded in the news and many times I was profitable. This wasn't one of those times. But I also risked too much. I was too confident that it would go up and it went hard down, and I was waiting. I also moved my stop loss. 3 mistakes. So these mistakes I'm trying to fix by doing these live streams. Okay, so in no way, shape or form I am a profitable in a consistency way profitable trader, but I'm trying to get there. So whoever is interested to see the struggles of real trading, this is the live stream. So you can subscribe, you can like the video, it will help the channel. Right now we are in the start of this channel. I love ICT's posts. 2024 is so delicious already. Man, the guy is a genius, for sure. Okay.
We're back in business tomorrow. We're back in business tomorrow.
Okay. So let's see if it will go down. Oh, okay, so here we have an area that it could be work as a support level. Here. Because we also have this fair value gap, and this is an inverted fair value gap. Also we have this the New York Open, which it could be also be hit. But now it's 12 o'clock, I stopped trading, I will not take any other trades. Of course Friday, it's also Friday. And the fact that I am even saying that, it's a good step forward. Because I didn't say that, or even if I said it, I would take some more trades. And I'm always paying it. So I hope this video this live stream makes me more consistent in my strategies. Okay, let's let's see how this will go. Also Euro USD, I didn't trade Euro USD for a while. This is interesting. Stochastic is over sold. The blue line has crossed over. This could go up. Also with the fair value gap. Let's insert some more indicators. Why? Just to have a better perspective. It's over 50. It's over 50 level. I use RSI as a momentum indicator. Yes, this could be a buy. Actually, I'm not taking it. Let's see Bollinger Bands. I don't use Bollinger Bands, but yeah, here could be a buy. It also touches this order block, this fair value gap. Okay. Last week I used too many indicators and I think I paid it a little bit. And today that I had a clean chart, I was more profitable. Just seeing some Twitter posts. Raja Banks also is a good guy trading. I love his perspective and he's very funny also. So let's see gold, because gold many times is making it move later in the day, like after 12. That was yesterday's levels. So yes, it was weird day for gold. In gold generally I use higher time frames. Yes, this is a sell actually. So we're in the level of optimal trade entry, 0.79 level. Doom. Let's see how I can draw up or down. I really don't know how this works. Okay. No, this is not like TradingView. Anyway, Okay, this is a fair value gap that it could work as a resistance and we could go down, but I believe it will be for a short term because here we have levels to consider. Okay, where is the Fibonacci? Always when it's about 50% level, it's always risky. We see here a big consolidation area. Not feeling, not feeling boom. So as soon as this area will break, we would have some interesting trades. Exactly to the 61.8, exactly. Fibonacci is not magical, it's just that many traders look the same levels. But actually, for me, Fibonacci is the key of the universe because our galaxy has the shape of the Fibonacci series shape. So every micro atom, every material is being, how can I say, prescribed, characterized by these numbers, by this shape, that is a cell, the cell shape. We use it in music many times also. In general, it goes in philosophy theories about the universe and stuff. So it also has an impact or generally a use in financial markets. So I use them a lot in my analysis. Okay, let's see the pound. Again, the same thing with the euro. Let's check a little bit oil daily. Okay, the same thing. We have crossed over these areas generally. So this could be a support zone. It's also an optimal trade entry. To hit at least the 50%. That will be 50 pips. We'll save it as a template. So after that, after this fair value gap forms, it will hit this level, and then it will go upwards to the 50% level of Fibonacci of this area. And so this level is very possible to be hit. So maybe it will not retrace back and not retest it. It's after 12. Okay, this, yes, this could be a trade, but generally this model, it's a very straightforward buy model from ICT. Yes, that would be a good trade until 50%. Why didn't I take it? I don't know. I mean, why didn't I have greater target profit? Because I was burned yesterday, that's why actually. So let's see here and here. Here, yep. This is optimal trade entry. It's also fair value gap. So yesterday here, sorry, not yesterday. These levels. So we hit 50% of this area. Yep. Okay, that's why is the retracement today. We hit the 50% of the bigger of the 4-hour chart time frame. So next stop would be 61.8. Here I was watching this area and it was a sell. So I was watching a sell and I bought. Great decision. I saw the sell afterwards actually. It was an impulsive move, and these are the mistakes that I want to try to fix. I'd like to see how the stream is going. Okay, yeah, we're good. As I see, we're good, right? Yep. So let's see other pairs. Here again the same thing. Here is the bullish order block. Very clear. So if we were about to take a trade here, we wouldn't expect to go under this area. Of course, we have this fair value gap also, and here actually we have a swing low. So these fair value gaps haven't been hit, but hit it. I'm not sure how it is in English. So in the gray test, in a higher time frame, we're in this level. In the 4-hour, we are in a sell position for optimal trade entry, and we are consolidating for a little while just before we hit the 50%. So in the same thing, this is why ICT may sometimes it's difficult. Here would be an optimal trade entry to go upwards. So in this case, you have to see the fundamentals because you are not sure. If we draw the Fibonacci here, this is an optimal trade, OTE, and the first profit target would be here. So if it will continue, the upper movement is very possible. So we have to see generally the fundamentals in this case, because we don't have a clue where it will go. We need more information. So let's see the economic calendar. In about 3:30 Greek time, we have high impact news from dollar. Okay. Yeah, Germany generally it might begin a recession, which will it's very possible to draw the whole Europe economy down. That's why things are very weird and very risky right now. A lot of sentiment. Why is in the middle? Okay, so GBP, JPY is a more possible sell, and as I see from more traders, I don't even have it. Okay, the beast. Okay, we're consolidating in 1 hour. Yep, here is a very good sell point. No, let's not hurry. So in the monthly, okay, we surpassed this order block, which is a bullish indication. Here it didn't went lower than this. Here we have also volume in this candle to push it up, and here we see this volume is taking place in the weekly. So why they are selling, I don't know. This is very bullish so far. Also in the daily, surpassed this. You have great volume here going upwards. So we have a bullish momentum in the weekly, in the monthly, in the weekly, and in daily. The only reason to sell here is just because in the 4 hour we are seeing a decline. Yes, maybe it's also Friday. Don't forget it's Friday. Very important. And so it's also 26th of January, so we are about in the end of month, which means in the monthly, according to power of 3, as it seems to show here a little bit, we will have a small retracement because we were going up the whole month. Okay, this could be a scenario. Yep. Okay, just wanted to see the sound. So, in the 4 hour JPY, so it will not have a great impact from the USD dollar news. but maybe the GBP USD have get back in the New York session. So this is very risky area, it's a consolidation area. So here we have to see where it will break. From which position will break, and then afterwards we can see our direction. So yeah, it could be bullish actually. So today it could be a bad day for dollar and a good day for pound. If it's a good day for pound, boom, this optimal trade works then, but we have to see signals. The 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, yep, bullish momentum, as I said, over 50 and crossover for stochastic. Let's see our 200 EMA. Yep, over. So we have many indications that this could be the news from New York today from 3:30 could be bullish for GBP. Let's see the 30-minute time frame consolidation. Yes, we crossed over the 30 minutes from a 200 EMA. In 1 hour, we have just crossed over the 50% of the RSI, and here it would be a good buy. It was oversold for RSI and stochastic, but I don't use this technique anymore. At 4:30 today. Yesterday, don't ask me, here are my yesterday's trades and day before. I started very well, and of course I blew everything right after. This is too much risk. I hate these trades, not because I lost, because I put too much risk. These are the two positions of today, and this is the first. So I'm minus 445 right now. I am in a drawdown, so I will take it slowly. But we move on. I will make it. Just watch. It's a matter of time. So in the Aussie, many traders were pessimistic, were bearish. And that was here. So yes, that was an optimal trade entry level to go here. So right now it's about 50% in this level per hour. Yep, just above the 50%. If it will break, our next target will be here in this fair value gap, in this imbalance. So next time it will break and then go upwards again to retest it. Next target for sure is here. So this could be a bearish entry. The ultimate profit target would be here, because here the 0705 level and 0.79 has as number one profit target the 100%, 0.62679 for the Aussie. Okay, I think I have to go. Maybe not. Let's see. Yes. So here in the 4 hour we have here this candle shows much volume. It's a good indication that 50% of Fibonacci works in higher time frames as a resistance or support level. Yeah. So yeah, this is 75 pips. Nice. Well, we gained some pips today. Very bullish. Yes, this is the next target. If I would buy here, my stop loss would be here. But always in New York, you have a reversal. And generally, I don't want to take a trade after 12. My window of trading now will be 10 to 12 only, and I will not let trades again run until the New York session. Really, I mean, I was burned this week, this month generally, I was burned about it because I was trying to fix my patience generally, to make me more patient in holding trades. But it's actually burned me because in New York many times we have a reversal after the London session. So in London we have the fake move and the real move is in New York many times, but it's not always. Sometimes you have a continuation. This month we had more reversals, so I was burned. So I'm trying to figure out when to exit, because in terms of directions I had almost 100% win rate in directions term. That means that I found a direction, I exit in the wrong way. I exit too early or too late. Let's see. Generally, yes, it's going up. Yes, Friday, yes, for sure. This is the power of 3. This is power of 3. 28th of December. Okay, no. Okay, yes, this is the month. This is the whole month. So went down. So here you will have a small retracement. Maybe up to here. Yes, because this area, it's an area of interest in general. Generally, drawing in MetaTrader 5, it's a little bit difficult. I prefer TradingView. But in terms of support and resistance, we see here that we have a support that broke, it retested, and up we go, down we go actually. So and then we retested, that was a fake breakout, downwards, and then retested and went again towards 50%. So the 50% is 2 or 3 times, 4 times actually tested. That means that at some point it will break. So in the 4 hour, this is an optimal trend entry. This is a reversal from this downwards movement. Here would be a great buy trade. I didn't watch Euro USD actually. Yes, this Fibonacci wasn't here before. Okay, so after this movement, it didn't go higher than this high, sorry. So in terms of these areas, here is the exact optimal trade entry in the bigger term. So here it was a great sell. So optimal trade entry works, as I said, in higher time frames. You have to see the bigger picture. 243 pips. If you would catch it here, 250, 270, 272. But this is the safe target. The actual target is here. 688. When? Maybe in March. Maybe not even in February. Maybe about in March. So Euro is going down. Yes, and as I said before, it's going for the 50%. Yep. So it was a trade here that I could have. Around 10 pips. Yep. I could have 10 pips here. But I also can have a sell. Yep. Towards this clean level. But maybe in New York in 330. Yeah, so okay, so I could have held it, I could have had a bigger position. If I had a bigger position, I could have had partials in every target, but now I'm in a drawdown, so I had to risk a small amount. But today is a good day because I learned a lot for sure, and I have predicted with the ICT concepts, to be fair, and not mine or retail trader concepts. But generally I use a combination. Okay, so we see here that in the 50% everything is overbought. Yep. So we can have a retracement. But it also could go here. Test this week. So here, yeah, okay. It will have for sure 60% retracement this afternoon. For sure it could go here also. Test this level and then go down. Interesting. Yes, we might see a small retracement just before the 50%. Now it will hit it for sure. It will hit it because it acts as a magnet. And the RSI is not, haven't touched the 75%. In RSI, I use the 75 and 35 levels and also the 50% to see the momentum. So here the momentum is for sure bullish, but it's also overbought in two indicators. Let's see what happens. that was a very good trade. That would be a very good trade. I mean, I saw it from here until here, 45 pip movement. Yeah. That would be an 80 euro, 90 euro profit with 0.2 lots. So I could save much from my drawdown. But we also have other days. Lately I am more calm because now I know that there are always opportunities in the market. So for sure the Monday open will be also a target level, and also the Friday close. So yes, I'm starting revisiting ICT concepts as I see, and you are seeing the transformation again live actually. I wanted a more simple way to trade because I burned many times using ICT concepts, but many times I was also profitable. So the thing that I discovered is that you have to have many confirmations combining the fundamentals, and you have to see it in many perspectives. If many factors agree, then you have a trade. If only one factor agrees, then you have an inverted trade, as SMB Capital says, which is another channel that I follow a lot. Great, so I'm going now because I have to go. Thank you for watching. If you like the whole thing, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. It will help the channel. And we will talk later or Monday. Let's see. Bye bye guys.